outside, it tingles in my heart.
What is up, you guys? We're stuck inside, but we want to show you guys the snow. It is horrible here in Connecticut. Don't mind how we look because we're just inside. It's nighttime. We're just cozied up, but we're coming outside. You guys want to go outside? Go outside. My dogs want to go outside. They don't even know what's coming. Watch. Go outside. You guys wanted to go outside, right? Yeah, you guys are like, no way. They're like, not even to go outside. It's cold.
It's crazy.
Wait till you guys see it. We're in our robes, but let me show you guys. Please, guys, stay home. The roads, like, look at the road over there. It's not even cleaned. Stay home and stay safe. Go outside, guys. They're so confused. They're like, heck no, you go outside. Come here, puppies. Come here. Playing? What is this, Ita? Go ahead, guys. Go play. Hi, cutie. What are you eating?
Pasteles.
We're gonna go see more Christmas lights today with our friends. He's eating some pasteles. If you guys know what that is, comment below. We look so tired.
I'm tired.
Me too. It's the snow. But yeah, actually this is like, I think, how many days has it been since the snowstorm?
3 days.
3 days. So this is 3 days later. Because we have before when we were showing you guys the snow. We'll show you when we go outside. So come join us today.